Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy new update on Instagram that allows you to check when you received a voice message in a group chat, all from your PC. If you've ever wondered how to find that crucial timestamp, follow these simple steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu of the screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is your gateway to all direct messages. Click on it to open your inbox. Now, navigate to the group chat that contains the voice message you want to check. Once you're in the chat, scroll through the messages until you find the received voice message. It's usually indicated by a small audio icon. Once you've located the voice message, click on the three dots next to it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to that specific message. Finally, in this drop-down menu, you will see the time when the voice message was received. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of conversations and knowing exactly when messages were sent. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily check when you received voice messages in Instagram group chats on your PC. This update enhances your messaging experience by making it easier to manage and respond to conversations effectively. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check back for more tips and updates on how to make the most of your Instagram experience. Happy messaging!